Freetown is a place for million people.
So tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use.
Sierra Leone has a place of 8 million people.
Time, but you weren't really mine, just something to do.
Freetown is the capital of Sierra Leone and the largest city of Sierra Leone.
Yeah.